Matt Carstens' roots in agriculture were planted during his childhood, growing up on his family's farm in central Iowa. He knew agriculture was in his blood and there was no question that he would pursue a career related to farming. Today he is a respected leader in the world of agriculture and business, advocating for farmers. Getting agriculture into my blood at a young age hooked me immediately, Carstens said. He explained that understanding the ways of feeding and fueling the world in a way that is profitable for farmers and beneficial to the rest of society at an early age was itself an education that prepared him well for his future. For Matt Carstens, it was an easy decision to major in agriculture business and management at Iowa State University, where he earned his degree. Armed with the deep knowledge of food and agriculture from the family farm and augmented by his further study, Carstens went on to a successful career that has now spanned nearly 30 years of experience in the industry. He's earned a reputation as a dynamic and result-driven executive. Growing up on the farm instilled in Carstens the importance of hard work, combined with business acumen. These lessons have guided his career success. He has worked in the supply chain, from agronomy retail to end-user grain customers, grocery stores, and the consumer. As a seasoned leader, Carstens has developed a reputation for his strategic insight, transformative leadership, and ability to drive growth within complex and competitive environments. He has successfully led organizations through periods of significant change, leveraging his expertise in sales, technology, innovation, and marketing to create value and deliver results. He is known as a thoughtful, progressive leader and a strong advocate for rural communities. Throughout his career, Carstens has held senior leadership roles at Land O'Lakes, United Suppliers, and Landis, where he has demonstrated a unique ability to balance innovation for increased business growth. His expertise includes expansion through sales growth and M&A, and he is known for fostering collaborative cultures that empower teams to achieve their fullest potential. Carstens explains that for him, success is finding the point of a win for all parties involved with the desired outcome everyone can be proud of. He advises taking advantage of every opportunity and not rushing the experience just to move on to the next level. Everything has a life cycle and more can be learned every day, he says. A highlight of his career, says Matt Carstens, was having the opportunity to learn about the global fertilizer markets and how a globally traded commodity works. It was an experience I have never forgotten. He worked with companies across the globe from Morocco to China to Brazil. There were many people across the fertilizer industry that helped connect and make this opportunity possible, he adds. Of his professional accomplishments, Carstens says he is most proud of starting the sustainability journey within United Suppliers. It was an achievement that he says he never thought would happen in the crop nutrients, CN, group. The relationships we grew and the farmer opportunities exceeded my expectations, and the journey with farmers was really around helping them open up their minds to the opportunities of what sustainability can mean for their farming operation, both in protecting their land and adding profitability. He is passionate about farming's role in sustainability, and finding the talent to serve farmers in the future. Carstens has served on several boards, where he has contributed to the development of strategies, governance best practices, and leadership lessons in agribusiness. Carstens and his wife Shonda established the Matt and Shonda Carstens Family Foundation to make a difference in rural communities across the Midwest. As active community members from small rural towns, Carstens and Shonda, along with their 3 children Claire, Camden, and Carolyn, are committed to driving meaningful change throughout their home state of Iowa and surrounding communities. The family believes that strong rural communities are vital to our country. The Carstens have witnessed firsthand the challenges local communities are facing, and they are committed to making a difference to ensure a better future for millions across rural America. Carstens is understandably proud of his family for starting the Matt and Shonda Carstens Family Foundation. Through the foundation, they have helped the emergency medical services team that provides care for rural communities in emergency situations. Following the 2024 shooting at the Perry High School in Iowa, the foundation provided support for the victims, including the purchase of a special outfitted van to transport one of the victims who had ongoing medical needs. After the Perry School shooting, we were able to work with the families affected directly and do something for each of them that helped them get their lives moving forward again. The amount of people who came together to make this happen was heartfelt and something my family and I will always remember, Carstens recalls. Something that often isn't talked about enough in rural communities, Matt says, is the importance of public education. As founder and chair of the board of the Matt and Shonda Carstens Foundation, Shonda Carstens, is a dedicated advocate for equal access to quality education no matter how small a community may be, and she is committed to continuing the rich tradition of public education for generations to come. Creating a brighter future for our children also means supporting the family-owned and Main Street businesses that we all cherish, Matt said. These businesses are at the center of our community and are essential in ensuring a future for rural America. As its website says, the Matt and Shonda Carstens Family Foundation is all about championing rural communities, supporting small businesses, and preserving the magic of small-town traditions.